Hello, cute lady.
Hi, handsome.
Do you speak English or not?
Yes, I speak English.
How are you? What is your name?
I am fine. My name is Mani. How are you? And what is your name?
I am also fine. My name is Ali.
Where are you from?
I am from India. And where are you from?
I am from UK. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. How old are you?
I am 22 years old. What is the time?
It's 6 o'clock. Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai. And where do you live?
I live in USA. What do you do?
I am a teacher. And what do you do?
I am bank manager. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
That's very nice. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. And can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. How do you travel to work?
I travel by local train. And how do you travel to work?
I have my own car.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. Are you married?
Yes, I am married. And are you married?
No, I am not married. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers and one sister. And what about your siblings?
I have one sister and two brothers.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is learning new things. And what's your hobby?
My hobby is learning new things, watching movies, and playing games.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pet?
No, I have no any pet.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 2344529. And what is your phone number?
My phone number is 37542938.
Do you like exercise?
Yes, I like exercise.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.